Greetings, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, join me in a culinary adventure as we explore the delightful world of haggis dishes. Get ready to embrace the rich flavors and traditions of Scottish cuisine. Recipe 1. Traditional haggis neeps and tatties. Our culinary journey commences with a classic, traditional haggis neeps and tatties. Here's what you'll need. Haggis. Neeps, turnips. Tatties, potatoes. Butter. Salt and pepper. A splash of cream. Now, let's dive into the culinary enchantment. Cooking instructions for traditional haggis neeps and tatties. Start by boiling the tatties until they're fork tender. While the tatties are cooking, peel and dice the neeps into bite-sized pieces. In a separate pot, gently heat the haggis, incorporating a splash of cream for richness. Mash the cooked tatties, adding butter and seasoning with salt and pepper. Serve the creamy mashed tatties alongside the warmed haggis and neeps. Transition. Visuals of the finished dish. Recipe 2. Haggis stuffed mushrooms. Let's elevate our haggis experience with haggis stuffed mushrooms. Gather these ingredients. Large mushrooms. Haggis. Olive oil. Garlic. Fresh herbs, thyme or rosemary. Salt and pepper. Prepare for a culinary adventure. Cooking instructions for haggis stuffed mushrooms. Clean the mushrooms and remove the stems, creating a hollow space for stuffing. In a skillet, sauté garlic and fresh herbs in olive oil until fragrant. Mix the sautéed mixture with haggis. Stuff each mushroom cap with the haggis mixture and bake until mushrooms are tender. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Recipe 3. Haggis and whiskey sauce pasta. Now, let's embark on a journey of flavor with haggis and whiskey sauce pasta. Gather these ingredients. Haggis. Pasta of your choice. Butter. Onion. Garlic. Single malt Scotch whiskey. Heavy cream. Parmesan cheese. Salt and pepper. Get ready for a pasta dish like no other. Cooking instructions for haggis and whiskey sauce pasta. Cook the pasta according to package instructions. In a pan, sauté finely chopped onion and garlic in butter until translucent. Add haggis to the pan and cook until heated through. Pour in a generous splash of Scotch whiskey, allowing it to reduce slightly. Stir in heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper to create a luscious sauce. Combine the sauce with the cooked pasta and enjoy. Recipe 4. Haggis breakfast hash. Let's kickstart our day with a hearty haggis breakfast hash. Gather these ingredients. Haggis. Potatoes. Onion. Bell peppers. Eggs. Olive oil. Salt and pepper. Optional. Scottish black pudding for extra flavor. Prepare for a satisfying breakfast delight. Cooking instructions for haggis breakfast hash. Dice the potatoes and cook until golden brown and crispy. Sauté onions, bell peppers, and haggis in olive oil until vegetables are tender and haggis is heated through. Combine the crispy potatoes with the haggis and vegetable mixture. Top with eggs cooked to your liking. Season with salt and pepper and optionally serve with Scottish black pudding. Transition. Visuals of the finished dish. Recipe 5. Haggis and caramelized onion tartlets. Our culinary exploration concludes with elegant haggis and caramelized onion tartlets. Here's what you'll need. Haggis. Puff pastry. Onion. Olive oil. Balsamic vinegar. Brown sugar. Optional, goat cheese. Fresh thyme. Salt and pepper. Prepare to impress with these savory tartlets. Cooking instructions for haggis and caramelized onion tartlets. Roll out puff pastry and cut into tartlet-sized circles. In a pan, caramelize thinly sliced onions with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and brown sugar. Spread haggis on the puff pastry, leaving space at the edges. Top with caramelized onions and crumbled goat cheese if desired. Bake until the pastry is golden brown and serve sprinkled with fresh thyme, salt, and pepper. And there you have it. 5 delectable haggis-inspired dishes to tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're a fan of traditional flavors or seeking a modern twist, haggis can be a versatile and delicious ingredient in your culinary repertoire. If you enjoyed this culinary journey of crafting haggis dishes with me today, stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking inspirations. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with the aroma of culinary excellence and the joy of creating flavorful masterpieces.